Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mom. I am Bisay Balingit from Section 1F. So today, I'm going to discuss or demonstrate. Our topic is executing basic Python code with logical operation, lists, tuples, and dictionary. So I am going to demonstrate the use of basic data types, including the logical operation, lists, tuples, and arrays, through different scenario. First scenario is the authentication scenario. So, mag-i-encode tayo na is under registered equal true. The term is true. Second is under admin equal true. True pa rin. So, maging ko tayo user equal, matatay tayo ng input, open close parenthesis, yung quotation mark, then sa loob ng open close parenthesis, lalagay tayo ng enter user. Then yung pangalawa is the under admin equal input, open close parenthesis, quotation mark. Din sa loob is maglalagay tayo ng enter admin okay. Then sa baba space if under user equal to quotation mark and Desiree and the under admin equal to then Desiree. Sa baba is magpiprint out tayo. Print open close parenthesis. Sa loob is under registered and is under admin. Then magpiprint ulit tayo. Print open close parenthesis, quotation mark. Sa loob is lalagay tayo ng welcome Desiree. Then ang susunod is else sa baba is print open close parenthesis, quotation mark, maglalagay tayo ng result then not, and close parenthesis ulit, maglaloob is under registered, and is under admin. Then, magpiprint out ulit tayo. Print out din ulit tayo ng print, open close parenthesis, semicolon, and then, matatype tayo sa loob ng you're not Desiree. Then, ira-run natin siya. And then, lalabas is enter your user. Tatype tayo ng Desiree. Then, sa enter admin key, matatype ulit tayo din doon ng Desiree. Then, lalabas is true, welcome, Desiree. If magta-type tayo, ira-run natin siya ulit. Then, magta-type tayo dito ng balingit. Tatype ulit tayo dito ng balingit. If magta-type tayo ng balingit sa ating username, and then sa enter admin name is this balingit, lalabas siya is you're not Desiree, is false.